Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the DJI Pocket 3. So let's get started. Okay, there we go. As some of you guys can see, this is the DJI Pocket 3, but we are having the DJI Mic Mini. So we're gonna be pairing both of them, and we're gonna be using it too, so as we can explore between both of them to see what's packed, because this kind of bad boy, it's really nice, and this kind of mics, they're really cool too. This video I'm recording with the DJI Mic Mini. So let us just get started throughout unboxing this kind of bad boy, and later on we're gonna be pairing with this kind of bad boy to test both with the mics and both without mic. So as we can see the differentiation, we're gonna just be unboxing it and see what's packed inside, and we check it out what's a goody throughout this kind of bad boy. You can see it's a really kind of well packed DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna keep it here first, and what's inside. And this is kind of cool. DJI usually rolled out like stickers or something, which it's really impressive. And talking about the stickers, as you can see, we're having DJI here. Osmo Quick Start Guide, really important to just read it. Silica gel, do not eat this. You're getting a lanyard, which is really amazing. Some really amazing kind of lanyard over here. USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which is really amazing throughout connecting your bad boy on charging. 3, you really need a base like this one, because you just want to mount your kind of mini tripod you have, which it's great. And this one is for releasing, as you can see. Left with our DJI Pocket 3. Such an amazing kind of camera, to be honest, from DJI, and as you can see, really well form factored compared to the DJI Pocket 2, which we checked it out last time. Really well designed, and I like the way they kept it. Everything is just steady. Throughout the cover too, looks really amazing compared to the DJI Pocket 2, which we checked out last time. This is really cool, and it's kind of heavy throughout using it, and it's really feeling really good material. On this side, you can just keep your kind of ND filters. As you can see, it spotted some ND filters and other accessories, which you can just attach it from here. And on this side, you can keep your microphone, DJI Mic 2. If you have, you can just snap it here to stay. So it's such an amazing kind of cover, to be honest, and I really like it for protecting your DJI Pocket 3. Alongside throughout here, looks really cool, and can't complain at all, because this kind of camera is just something else, and it's quite impressive.
A few moments later.
Okay, since we're waiting for confirmation on the application, on this round we can snap our holder throughout here, as you can see, so as you can have much better gripping, because on the DJI Pocket 3, without the grip, it feels this way. So it's just feels a little bit, out of control. But when you have this plug it in, it's such convenience, because you have more hand throughout using it, and it makes it feels really cool.
A few moments later.
So right now we're done with the application. As you can see, you can have total control with your DJI Pocket 3 throughout live, seeing what's going on directly throughout your phone, and throughout here you can manage files and all of that. So it's just kind of giving you some hints. And right now we're done, and you can see we're having a firmware update right now, so as we can download it. So you can just download it and just leave it there for the firmware update. And but right now we're gonna be plug it in our memory card. So it keeps on telling me that I have a slow SD card. I think I need to up my game and buy an SD card, which really boosts throughout what it really needs. So as I cannot get this kind of error so many times, but by far this is how much the sound is picking up on the DJI Mic Mini. And if you didn't check out the review of the DJI Mic Mini, you can just click one of the cards here around the corner. By far this is how the audio comes through the DJI Pocket 3, and to be honest, I really love this kind of camera. And since day one I wanted this kind of bad boy, because I had a DJI Pocket 2. It was really good. It sustained for almost 2 years, and I can't complain at all about that. It was really amazing. But the DJI Pocket 3 has some greatness throughout functionality, portability, some more improvement throughout the DJI version of the Pocket 2 to Pocket 3. It's such an iconic. And today we're going to just be exploring through the features which it has and how much the camera captures, because it's really cool throughout many modes which it has. And I'm just not going to go so much deeper, but I'm going to just cover things which are so important whenever you're using this kind of camera and it's your first time using it. This is our Pocket 3, and something which is so cool, as you can see when you get it, there's a bunch of settings. Whenever you just jumping on the settings, you can go directly through settings and check out bunch of stuff. But first thing first, you're having the microphone. If you have a microphone, you can connect it here direct, and you're having gimbal startup direction. So if you want your gimbal whenever you're flipping the screen where it's supposed to be starting, which is really great, so you can just keep it backward. So let's say right now I'm flipping it throughout. Let's go back again, backward, and whenever I'm flipping the screen back and it goes to shutdown, as you can see, and whenever I'm flipping it right now, it will just go throughout front like that, which is really cool, because whenever you're recording, you just want it to be capturing you like a vlog or something. And through here, you can just tap on here, you can select anything you want, especially like if you want video, you want low light video. So it has like a low light video, which is really cool. Let's say like right now I'm recording. If I'm recording on the low lighting, it will just capture really amazing. That's the most kind of stuff which I like about the DJI Pocket 3. It's like a Sony kind of camera, which is really amazing. And throughout here, as you can see, you're having slow motion, and you can capture slow motion depending on what you want. You can capture up to 1080p to 40 frame rates per second, which is insane. I think you can clock it again throughout different kind of sizing, but right now we're just seeing 1080p 8 times and 240 frame rates per second, which is actually not bad. Other kind of stuff, you're having time-lapse. So for the people who love time-lapse, it's really cool, because if you want to shoot a time-lapse which can rotate, which this camera, it's actually doing it. Rama, and it's even having camera, so whenever you just tap it in, it will jump in direct throughout there, and you can capture some amazing photos using the Pocket 3 too, which is really wild. If you want to have an amazing kind of pictures, Pocket 3 will deliver amazing, incredible pictures. And something which is so important to check it out is the speaker. So as I cannot get this kind of error so many times, but by far this is how much the sound is picking up on the DJI Mic Mini. And if you didn't check out the review of the DJI Mic Mini, so this is just an improvement from DJI, to be honest, since I was a user of DJI Pocket 2 by almost 2 years, and this is just a worth it upgrade throughout the Pocket 3. If you want to grab it, just grab it, man. This camera is just good. So guys, this is my audio speaking right now without any microphone, directly throughout the Pocket 3. Such an amazing and amazing audio. So whenever like you're vlogging or something, it's really great using it without a microphone, because sometimes you don't have a mic and you just want to hear what the audio is picking up. Because I've used the Pocket 2, it was really amazing. This Pocket 3 too, it's actually really great, more advanced on the mic section of built-in mics. So yeah, and yeah, you can just jump through here, checking out what you've shot before. Like me, I've shot these kind of videos which I was sharing with you, and it's just really amazing. And whenever you just want to flip again the camera, you just tap on here and it will just flip. And you can even map this kind of button. You can map it, because this is for controlling the gimbal left and right, and you can just tap it on center. It will just 2 times it will recenter the gimbal. So it's really worth it, and it's really dope. So guys, this is such an iconic kind of camera, to be honest. By far, I've played with it, I've shot some few shots, and you have seen it, and it's such an amazing kind of camera, to be honest. From DJI usually never disappoints on their products, and as some of you guys already know, so many times I've been using their products, and I'm so much excited on grabbing the DJI Mic Mini from them. It's such an amazing kind of mic, because usually so many times I just have the Ulanzi M18, I have the Ulanzi A30, and and they all have different scenario whenever you're using them, because I won't carry the AM18 with me every day. That's kind of insane. I usually carry the A30 whenever I just want to shoot my content with the phone, but since this kind of bad boy is there, it's quite amazing to be using it, and it's quite great whenever I just want to shoot a certain video. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the DJI Pocket 3. Do not think twice. This kind of camera, it's a must have if you're a content creator. It's a worth it investment. I understand it's quite expensive, but it's a worth it investment. Just close your eyes, take the money, get the camera, and you know what I mean. And later on, you're gonna be seeing some good production out of it whenever you're using it, and it's such an iconic. And I know I did not talk about controlling with your phone, because you can use an application of the DJI Mimo to have total control of your camera whenever you're shooting outside, or whenever you just want to monitor the camera. It's like a live screen, like an extra screen, you know what I mean? So it's really dope. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.